Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. That's me, the Exotic Traveler, and today I'm here with another unboxing video of my birthday gift, which is a designer handbag by Micheal, which is an American brand. So guys, I'm so excited. Let's take this out from the silk pouch. So one by one we unwrap all the handles, loops, and also this MK name tag. Okay guys. Yes, that's the MK logo. Let me turn it around. Okay, so guys, we have our handbag in my hands, and that's the logo, and this is the front. And now going inside and remove all the tissue papers inside cards which are already put by the MK, and let's remove all this. So guys, actually I bought it from Micheal KORS UAE. It's cost me around 14.95 AED from MK UAE is a Voyager. From MK, it's distributor from MK Switzerland, and it's brown in color. Brown color I really like. These are the details written on the card. Okay guys, so let me throw all the wraps away, and now we have our handbag in the hands, and that's a Micheal KORS Voyager, and this is the bag guys. It's so beautiful and looks stunning, and these are the sides of the bag. These are just for the show, and this logo is, I really love this logo. The best thing is this. And okay, so anyways, let's check inside that the secret pocket. First we will check the secret pocket, which has a zipper, and okay, it have a small booklet. It's a handbag and small goods, how to use and what we can insert in the bag. This feature is truly amazing, a tech-friendly accessory. Okay, let me show you what's written here. Fashion meets fashion with this chic accessory is specially designed with a padded interior to fit most for tablets and cell phones. There is a pocket. Let me show you. Yeah, that's the pocket. Yeah, this is the pocket for the smartphones and tablets, whatever we have smart accessories. We have the padded section in the bag, and these are the two small pockets, and this is the padded one. Then for our smartphones and tablets we can put here, and it will not damage because it is already padded. So next section, okay, we have another section which is bigger. We can put anything in these sections, and a lot of pockets we have, small, big, and medium, everything. So that's my bag in brown color. I loved it most, absolutely gorgeous. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, leave a comment, like and subscribe to my channel, The Exotic Traveler. We'll meet you in some other travel vlog or unboxing video inshallah soon. Bye bye, take care, Allah Hafiz.